Hello friends, it's Mrs. Sullivan and we're here to talk about our letter. What's the letter? U, right? And U says umbrella. Do you have an umbrella too? U also says under. I'm under my umbrella. U also says underwater. And my pet Johnny here, who's a fish, is he underwater? Yeah. Great. Let's see if we can find some U's. I have some places to look. Are you ready? All right. This is the back cover of my books. Do you see my name? What's that letter? You're right. It's U. U is the first vowel in Mrs. Sullivan. Let's look at the front covers. There's U's on here too. Can you see them? The title of this one says Aliens Love Underpants. The title of this one is Pirates Love Underpants. Can you guess the title of this one? Monsters Love Underpants. And they all have the same author and illustrator, Claire Freeman and Ben Court. I'm going to make a video of me reading one of these books aloud. See if someone will help you send me a message which one you want to hear. All right, we'll see you soon, and I can't wait to hear about your prediction. Bye, friends.